Okay, this is Gary, and he came to see us about 6 months ago, and he had some bone-on-bone osteoarthritis of the left knee, and you were told that eventually you're going to have a knee replacement, correct?
I was told you're going to come back begging for a knee replacement.
All right, and you were almost ready to schedule it before you met us.
2 weeks away.
Yeah.
2 weeks away.
So instead, we decided to do the laser stem cell procedure. Six months later, how's the knee holding up?
Great. 90% better, let me tell you.
Uh-huh. And what activities are you able to do now that you couldn't do before?
I am doing Zumba. I'm doing cardio exercises,
Right.
stationary bike, rolling machine. And then we do some yoga on 1 day a week.
All right.
Yeah.
Walking as long as you need to?
Yes.
Up and down the stairs, no problem?
No problem.
All right.
Yep.
Can you show me some of the Zumba moves over there? Let's see your mobility and go over there. And I got to prove it because people don't believe this works. So go ahead.
First of all, we do like these here.
Yeah.
You know, and then we do.
Nice. Yeah.
And then we do cowboy dancing and.
Nice.
No, it works fine. I'm really happy. Jumping jacks.
Yeah. So how many percent better is that knee, would you say?
Oh, it's 100% better.
Wow. You can exercise no pain
There
now.
was a time I could not even do jumping jacks. It was modified. I was going like this.
All right. Well, enjoy your Zumba and exercise. Congratulations.